everyone. Welcome to Simply English channel. I'm Mia, your English teacher.
And I'm Alex, your English learner and friend.
Today, we're going to learn numbers in English. We'll count from 1 to 20 and we'll practice together.
Nice, I like numbers.
Great, let's start slowly. Repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Perfect. Now from 6 to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Excellent. Now let's count all together from 1 to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now let's go from 11 to 20. Repeat after me again. 11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15.
15,
Good. Now 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Amazing, you did it. Now, let's practice counting objects. I have apples. Let's count them together. 1 apple,
1 apple,
2 apples,
2 apples,
3 apples.
3 apples.
Good. Now I have 5 pencils. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pencils.
Excellent. Now let's use the question, how many? We use how many to ask about numbers of things.
Like, how many apples?
Exactly. Example, how many apples do you have? I have 3 apples.
How many books do you have? I have 5 books.
Perfect. Let's do a short quiz.
4 oranges.
Now your turn. How many bananas do you have?
I have 2 bananas.
Great. Let's try one more. How many fingers do you have?
10 fingers.
Yes, 10 fingers. Now, let's practice listening. I'll say a number and you repeat. Ready? 8,
8,
15,
15,
19,
19,
12,
12,
20.
20.
Great, you're improving so fast. Now let's use numbers in short sentences. Repeat after us. I have 1 brother.
I have 1 brother.
I have 2 sisters.
I have 2 sisters.
There are 3 chairs.
There are 3 chairs.
There are 10 students in the class.
There are 10 students in the class.
Good job. Now let's count backwards from 10 to 1. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, that was fun.
Yes, counting backwards helps you remember faster. Okay, now let's do a short review. We learned numbers from 1 to 20, how many questions, counting objects, simple sentences with numbers.
And we practiced speaking and listening.
Exactly. Remember, listen and repeat many times. It helps your brain learn naturally. Let's practice one more time together, all of us. Listeners, too. Count from 1 to 10 with us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, everyone.
You are all amazing learners.
Thank you for listening to Simply English channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode. Next time, we'll learn days of the week in English. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and more.
See you in the next episode. Bye bye.
Bye, everyone.